Do you have a college-bound student in your household? If so, it's time to complete the free application for federal student aid right now. The federal government is the largest source of financial aid funding for higher education. So today, I want to share how you can tap into some of that money for yourself or your college-bound student. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reid Tootle, the creator of the masterplaybook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. Now, student loans and managing student debt is a hot topic right now. And until Congress figures out how to make college more affordable, it's important to know what your options are. And one option, of course, is federal funding. So we have to talk about it. The free application for federal student aid, also known as FAFSA, is going to roll out on October 1st. This is a financial aid form you absolutely want to complete if you're looking for funding and you plan to attend college in the fall of 2023. Now, I'm going to share 6 tips so you don't miss out on being eligible for financial aid. Number 1, you want to complete this form as soon as possible. Why? Because some states, they award their grants on a first come, first served basis or until the money runs out. So you don't want to wait around and procrastinate on completing this form. 2, don't disqualify yourself. Complete the form even if you think you make too much money. There are several families who complete this form because of this very reason. And the truth is, not all scholarships are need-based. Some schools actually require this application as part of making any financial aid decisions. So whether you're looking at private scholarships, grant money, some schools actually require you to complete this as part of that package. So it really is worth the hour or so it's likely going to take you to complete it. 3, you should refile this form every year you or your child is in school. So even if your financial aid situation hasn't changed, you'll still have to refile this form to continue to receive aid. Now, with the next 2 tips, I'm going to share what you need in order to complete the form. So, tip number 4, you are going to need a list of schools that you may want to attend or are interested in. So, you'll want to have this before you even begin filling out the form. Now, even if you're not sure where you're going to land, or even if you are stuck on one school that's your school of choice or your child's school of choice, you should still list at least one state public college because some states will only consider you for a state grant if you have an in-state public college listed on your application. Number 5, beyond your driver's license, you're going to need to gather some financial information. Okay, so social security number, your federal tax returns, W-2s, bank statements, and any records of any investment. So this is what the Department of Education will actually use to determine how much students qualify for. And then my final tip, number 6, I need you guys to pay attention to details. A lot of times we fly through these applications, and this is not one you want to fly through. You want to take your time. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully. So, from selecting the correct year for funding, you want to double check your math, making sure that all these things, that there are no errors, that there isn't an oversight, because it can significantly slow down the process. Once you submit the application online, you'll receive a confirmation that the application has been completed, and then processing can take up to 5 days. Now, I hope you found these 6 tips helpful. If you did, definitely share it with your friends and family. Like and subscribe our channel, and I'll see you next time.